Uncovering 5,000ers Day. From Google's Hidden Features. Free. Make Money Online, 2024. Welcome to our latest video where we dive deep into the hidden gems of Google that could potentially earn you $5,000 a day. Yes, you heard that right, $5,000 a day. In this video, we will uncover the lesser-known features of Google that can be leveraged to make money online in 2024. Google is not just a search engine, it's a goldmine waiting to be explored. From secret tools to untapped resources, we will show you how to navigate through Google's hidden features and turn them into a lucrative income stream. Whether you're a seasoned online entrepreneur or just starting out, this video is packed with valuable insights and strategies that can help you boost your online earnings. Imagine the possibilities of unlocking the full potential of Google and reaching new heights in your online income goals. So grab a pen and paper, take notes, and get ready to uncover the secrets of Google that could change the way you make money online. Stay tuned for the ultimate guide to maximizing your earnings with Google's hidden features. The evolution of online income. Back in the early days of the internet, making money online seemed like a distant dream for many. However, with the evolution of technology and the rise of search engines like Google, new opportunities emerged for individuals to monetize their online presence. As the digital landscape continues to expand, so do the possibilities of generating income through innovative means. Despite the vast potential that Google offers, many people are unaware of the hidden features and tools that can be utilized to maximize their earnings. The challenge lies in navigating through the sea of information and uncovering these lesser-known gems that could potentially lead to $5,000 a day in revenue. In a world where online competition is fierce and algorithms constantly change, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success. By understanding the intricacies of Google's hidden features and learning how to effectively monetize them, individuals can overcome these obstacles and tap into a lucrative source of income. Join us on this journey as we explore the untapped potential of Google and discover the secrets to unlocking $5,000 a day from its hidden features. Get ready to revolutionize your online income strategy and pave the way for a brighter financial future in 2024. Key points. 1. Leveraging Google's hidden features. Uncover the secret tools and resources within Google that can be harnessed to boost your online income potential. From advanced search operators to niche-specific tools, learn how to navigate through the lesser-known features of Google. 2. Monetization strategies. Explore various ways to monetize these hidden features effectively. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, content creation, or SEO optimization, discover the strategies that can help you turn your online presence into a revenue-generating machine. 3. Maximizing earnings. Learn how to optimize your online efforts to maximize your earnings potential. By understanding the nuances of Google's hidden features and implementing the right tactics, you can scale up your income to reach the coveted $5,000 a day mark. 4. Real-life success stories. Hear inspiring success stories of individuals who have unlocked the power of Google's hidden features to achieve financial success. From bloggers to e-commerce entrepreneurs, see how others have turned their online ventures into profitable businesses using these strategies. 5. Actionable steps. Walk away with actionable steps and practical tips that you can implement right away to start monetizing Google's hidden features. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned online entrepreneur, these insights can help you take your online income to the next level in 2024. Google's hidden secrets. To truly unlock the potential of making $5,000 a day, it's essential to understand and leverage Google's hidden features. Here are some of the best-kept secrets. 1. Google AdSense. Google AdSense allows website owners to earn money by displaying targeted ads on their sites. By creating high-quality content that attracts visitors, you can leverage AdSense to generate a steady income stream. The key to success with AdSense is to produce content that attracts high-paying keywords and optimizes ad placement to increase click-through rates. 2. Google Analytics. Google Analytics provides in-depth insights into website traffic and user behavior. By understanding these analytics, you can optimize your website for better user engagement and higher conversion rates. This tool helps identify which pages are performing well and which ones need improvement, allowing you to focus your efforts on strategies that yield the best results. 3. Google My Business. Google My Business is a free tool that helps businesses manage their online presence across Google, including search and maps. By optimizing your Google My Business listing, you can attract more local customers and increase your online visibility. Ensure that your listing is complete, accurate, and regularly updated with new information and customer reviews. 4. Google Trends. Google Trends analyzes the popularity of top search queries in Google Search across various regions and languages. By using Google Trends, you can identify trending topics and tailor your content to match what people are currently searching for. This can help you stay relevant and attract more visitors to your site. 5. Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is a tool for researching keywords for SEO and PPC campaigns. By finding the right keywords, you can optimize your content to rank higher in search engine results, attracting more organic traffic to your site. This tool also helps you understand keyword competition and search volume, enabling you to target high-potential keywords effectively. 6. Google Search Console. Google Search Console helps you monitor, maintain, and troubleshoot your site's presence in Google search results. It provides insights into how Google views your site and helps you optimize it for better performance. By identifying and fixing issues, you can improve your site's ranking and attract more organic traffic. 7. Google Workspace. Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, offers a range of productivity tools, including Gmail, Docs, Drive, and Calendar. These tools can help you streamline your workflow, collaborate more effectively, and manage your online business operations efficiently. By leveraging Google Workspace, you can save time and focus on strategies that drive revenue. 8. Google Alerts. Google Alerts is a content change detection and notification service. By setting up alerts for relevant keywords, you can stay informed about the latest trends, news, and mentions related to your niche. This can help you create timely content, engage with your audience, and stay ahead of the competition. 9. Google Shopping. Google Shopping allows e-commerce businesses to list their products on Google Search and reach a wider audience. By optimizing your product listings and running Google Shopping campaigns, you can attract more customers and increase sales. Ensure that your product data is accurate, complete, and regularly updated to maximize visibility. 10. YouTube. Owned by Google, YouTube is a powerful platform for content creators. By creating engaging videos and optimizing them for search, you can build a large audience and monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Consistent content creation and audience engagement are key to success on YouTube. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now, and you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those that may be interested. There is also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. Okay, now where were we? Real-life success stories. 1. John Lee, the SEO guru. John Lee, a seasoned digital marketer, discovered the potential of Google Keyword Planner and Google Analytics early on. By creating a blog focused on SEO tips and tricks, he attracted a significant audience. Through AdSense and affiliate marketing, John's blog now generates over $5,000 a day. His success story emphasizes the importance of keyword research and content optimization. 2. Sarah Thompson, the e-commerce entrepreneur. Sarah Thompson leveraged Google Shopping to boost her online store's visibility. By optimizing her product listings and running targeted Google Shopping campaigns, she saw a dramatic increase in sales. Sarah's store now makes $5,000 daily, proving that e-commerce businesses can thrive with the right strategies. 3. Mike and Emily Johnson, the YouTube duo. Mike and Emily Johnson started a YouTube channel focused on DIY home projects. By using Google Trends to identify popular topics and optimizing their videos for search, their channel quickly gained traction. With over 1 million subscribers, their channel's ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales bring in over $5,000 a day. 4. Lisa Wong, the local business success. Lisa Wong, owner of a small bakery, optimized her Google My Business listing to attract more local customers. By encouraging satisfied customers to leave reviews and regularly updating her listing with new photos and posts, her bakery's foot traffic increased significantly. The boost in local visibility helped her business reach $5,000 in daily revenue. 5. David Brown, the affiliate marketer. David Brown used Google Alerts and Google Trends to stay ahead of the latest trends in tech gadgets. By creating a blog and YouTube channel reviewing the latest products, he attracted a tech-savvy audience. Through affiliate marketing and AdSense, David's combined platforms now generate over $5,000 a day. Exploration and insights. When it comes to uncovering Google's hidden features for online income generation, there are varying perspectives on the effectiveness and sustainability of such strategies. Some argue that relying solely on Google's features may not provide a stable long-term income source, as algorithms and trends can change unpredictably. On the other hand, proponents believe that with the right approach and continuous adaptation, leveraging Google's hidden features can lead to significant financial gains. Recent research suggests that diversifying income streams beyond Google's features may be a more robust strategy for long-term financial success. By incorporating multiple revenue streams, such as social media marketing, email marketing, and product sales, individuals can create a more resilient online income portfolio. Considering these contrasting viewpoints, it's essential for online entrepreneurs to critically evaluate their approach to monetizing Google's hidden features. How can one strike a balance between maximizing Google's potential and diversifying income sources for stability? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's engage in a discussion on the best practices for achieving sustainable online income in 2024. We've delved into the exciting world of uncovering $5,000 a day from Google's hidden features for online income generation in 2024. Throughout this video, we've explored the lesser-known tools and strategies within Google that can be leveraged to boost your earnings and potentially reach new heights in your online ventures. The key takeaway from this tutorial is the importance of not only understanding Google's hidden features, but also implementing effective monetization strategies to maximize your income potential. By tapping into these resources and staying adaptable to changes, you can pave the way for significant financial gains in the online realm. We encourage you to act on the insights shared in this video. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur, there's immense value in exploring the untapped potential of Google's features for your online income goals. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 75 to choose from. Thanks for watching!